I'm back. Okay. So we have been forcing Tana to wake up this whole entire time.
We missed the whole movie, Zombies, and I'm about to spray her in the cheese.
No, but I downloaded this app of animal sounds, and Tana's gonna guess what they are. So, okay, here you go, Tana. You ready? No, we have to get a piece of paper and count them down.
I'll keep it in my mind.
No. Just, where's my red thing I had last night? Okay, let's switch to this. Ready? Round number 2. Good job. Okay, this one is going to be impossible. Okay, what is it?
No, it's a cow. You said it was going to be impossible.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not
A donkey. How bad? Why are you so bad at this? Alex, get Nathaniel. What's that?
Otter.
We already told you it's a kitten before. Yeah. This is funny because she doesn't know what animals are. Okay. Oh, my red clip. I don't know. That's what I was looking for. I don't know.
What's she doing?
Okay, you ready, Tana? Tana, you ready? No, it's a fox.
What the freak? What kind of animal sounds like that?
Yeah, and I know, and you're one of them.
Oh!
I'll play one more time. A monkey, oh my goodness. This should be simple. If you get this wrong, I'm gonna laugh.
Simple. It's an otter.
What? A seal. That's close. Okay, ready? A duck.
Yeah.
Close enough. Bugs Bunny. Ready? Tana, ready? Tana, ready?
I knew it. It's a dog growling.
Okay, get ready. What do you?
What up?
You farted. Ew, he farted. Get out. Get out, he farted. should I do this? Dude train. No, or this one. Ready?
Uh-oh, somebody called the cow.
What did you do?
Hold my door shut.
Mom, come here. Ready?
I don't want to hear a damn word.
Okay. And then.
Shut the door.
Who shall shut the? Oh, Ben shut the door.
What are you doing?
I don't know. You join us? Hey, we could play school with this. Somebody robbed it.
I think we have enough school to do instead of playing school.
And what do you want to do?
I'm done here.
It's a good movie. It's a good movie.
It's good in some parts. It would have been cool if they fell in love
They did.
at the end and kissed.
They're supposed to make a second movie like Descendants.
What?
This is called a fail. You know why? I thought it didn't work. That's why it was called a fail. My favorite so far is the tornado. Oh yeah, hey guys, Lila woke up finally. But guess what? Da, da, da. You could prank so many people in this.
Look what Ben's in my bed. No. Guys, we should play how to... I'll be it.
Guys, should I go inside?